Hello once again, everybody. Welcome back to Knox Asian Recipes. Today, tofu and basil stir-fry, plus some stir-fried veggies for a quick, simple, and delicious meal. So Nok uses a special tofu that she buys frozen. Here it's called layer tofu. It's got a great texture, firm and kind of meaty. So she takes it out of the freezer just before she's ready to work with it. And she'll chop it up into slices and pieces and then chop it finely. This is like the Thai dish pad krapao, but since it's a vegan dish, it's not fried pork, it's fried tofu. So the firmer and the more meatier the tofu, the better the texture at the end. Now to her mortar and pesto with some fresh chili and salt, and she's gonna mash this up. So now she'll add some garlic into her chili paste and also incorporate that. She's got some mushroom sauce because it's a vegan dish. The original pad krapao in Thailand, of course, would have fish sauce. So she's just getting about a tablespoon ready. There's all her ingredients, and she's got fresh basil. This is holy basil, which she can get here. You can use Thai basil. I've even heard of people using Italian basil. But now, she's just going to heat up a little bit of oil, and first she's going to fry up the tofu. So now she's added in her chili paste mix as well, and next will come the mushroom sauce. This dish, since it's not meat, there's been no oil released by frying the tofu, so she'll add a little bit of water to keep it moist. But in the end of the day, it's kind of dry, but this helps to get all the flavors combined. Now turn off the heat, add the basil, move it around a couple of times and let the basil flavor get in there and wilt the basil, and we're ready to go. First dish, quick and easy. And to complete our lunch today, the stir-fried veggies, it's as simple as a little bit of oil, a little bit of garlic, carrots, green beans, salt, and only have to cook it for 3 or 5 minutes. You don't want them to be overcooked, of course. So that's enough cooking to dry out the water a little bit, and she'll turn off the heat and get it on a plate, and we're just about ready for lunch. Serve this one with white rice. It's very healthy, very nutritious. We hope that you guys will try this one at home. Simple ingredients, good quality ingredients, make for a great lunch. Yes, definitely delicious. And we hope you'll try this one at home. Thanks a lot for watching the video. You can subscribe, of course. Bon appetit.